हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों। लॉकडाउन पीरियड में लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज के साथ जो बच्चे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब वो बोर्ड की परीक्षा में बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं। तो आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 1, रियल नंबर्स। क्लास 9 से आप रियल नंबर्स के बारे में बेसिक नॉलेज रखते हो। 0 इज द ओरिजिन, व्हाट वी से, नंबर लाइन पे 0 फर्स्ट नंबर। अगर हम इसमें आगे चलें 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, दीज आर नेचुरल नंबर्स। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 नेचुरल नंबर्स। 0 को ऐड कर दिया तो होल नंबर, और माइनस के नंबर ऐड कर दिए इंटीजर्स, तो ये सारे के सारे क्या बन गए? पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स। 9th में फिर हमने क्या पढ़ा? इनके बीच में एवरेज 3/2, average 5/2, average, and so on. These are rational numbers, also real numbers. फिर हमने क्या पढ़ा? 1.414, value of √2 is a irrational number, also real number. So all the numbers lying on this number line are real numbers. So one by one, first we start the cases. Euclid's division lemma. It says that given positive integers, from here only, given positive integers a and b, suppose we are taking any two numbers, say 37 and 6, any two positive numbers, say a and b, there exists a unique integer q and r. What is Q? You know very well. And what is R? You know very well. Q and R satisfying what relation? A equals to BQ plus R, where R lying between 0 to B, including 0 but not including B. See the very simple thing with an example. If we divide 37 by 6, 6, 6, 36, remainder is 1. Suppose it is 38, divide by 6, 36, remainder is 2. 39, divide by 6, remainder is 3. 40, divide by 6, remainder is 4. 41, divide by 6, remainder is 5. 42, divide by 6, remainder is 0. Then 43, remainder is 1. 44, remainder is 2. 45, remainder is 3. 46, remainder is 4. 47, remainder is 5. 48 means when we are dividing by 6, we are getting remainder as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0. Number is 6, dividing by 6. See, if we divide by B, the remainder is below the number B but equal to 0. Here we are dividing by 6. It means remainders starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again 0. Then the next number, we have again remainder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose if we divide any number by 3, then tell me what are the remainders? Remainders are 0, 1 or 2. If you divide by 5, remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what the theorem says, listen again. Euclid's division lemma. Given positive integers a and b, this is our a and this is our b. This is q and this is r. Now, given positive integers a and b, there exist a unique integers q and r. Unique integers q and r satisfying a equals to bq plus r, where r is lying between 0 to b, not including b but including 0. This is called Euclid's division lemma. And if we use this technique in calculating some questions for SCF or LCM, This technique is known as Euclid's division algorithm. What is the difference between lemma and algorithm? Lemma is a fixed concept, theorem given to you, we can apply. But how to apply? What is the technique? Step-by-step procedure. It is said to be algorithm. Suppose I want to calculate HCF of two numbers, 225 and 135. Which one is smaller? 135. So here we write 135 is smaller than 225. That's why start with 225, we can divide by 135. How many times? One time. 135. Remainder 90. Now the rule is, algorithm is, this 90 is become divisor and 135 is dividend. One time, what we are getting? 45. Again 45 is become divisor and dividend 90. Divide two times. What we are getting? 0. So when we get the remainder 0, the last divisor is said to be HCF. Yes or no? And this HCF is for each and every pair. First pair 135 and 225. Second pair 90 and 135. Third pair 45 and 90. For all these pairs, HCF is fixed as 45. Clear? One more example. Say, second part, 867, third part, 867 and 255. Which one is smaller? 255. Divide to 867. 867 and 255. So first, 2 times, 3 times, okay, 3 times. 3, 5, 3, 5, 15, 1 carry on, 3, 5, 15, 16, 1, 3, 2, 6, 7. 7 minus 5, 2, 6 minus 6, 0, 8 minus. Now 102 becomes divisor and 255 dividend. How many times? 2 times. 204. What is remainder? 1, 5. This will be now new remainder, new divisor, and dividend 102. 2 times and remainder comes 0. Hence the last divisor, when the remainder comes 0, is 51. That's why HCF equals to 51. And this HCF 51 for how many pairs? We can write 255 and 867, first pair. Second pair, 102 and 255. And third pair, 51 and 102. For all these 3 pairs, HCF is 51. This is called Euclid's division algorithm to calculate HCF of 2 numbers. Suppose we have 3 numbers. Then first we'll calculate for the 2 numbers. What is HCF? 51. Then the third number, by the way, X. Then find the HCF of X and 51. You will get HCF of all the 3 numbers. Extended form for the 3 numbers. Now the next sum. Very important. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Suppose we divide any number by 6 and a is this number. Q is the quotient and r is remainder. Then how we write a? Suppose a is any positive number, q are positive numbers. We can write a as 6q plus 0, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5. बताओ 6q plus 6 आएगा क्या? No. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is an even number. And in even number, if you add even number, it will become even. What is odd number? We want only odd numbers. So 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are odd numbers. This we want to prove. Very simple. One more sum. Application. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band. Very beautiful band, army band. कभी सुना है आपने? मैंने सुना है अहमदाबाद में. Oh, really nice. 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. Well disciplined number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Maximum number of columns means indirectly we have to calculate SCF. 616 is the larger number than 32. So we have to start division. 32, 1, 32. 9, 2, 6. How many times? 32, 9, 288. It means 8. 8 is the remainder. This 8 will become now the new divisor. And what will the next remainder dividend? 32. How many times? What we are getting? 0. That means 8 is the SCF of 32 and 616. So they have to make the column of 8 members each row. Correct? You can write the same division in the division algorithm form. How? 616 is nothing but 32 into 19 plus remainder 8. Correct? Second time, this 32 here, 8 into 4 plus 0. So 8 is the HCF when we have remainder is 0. So systematically you can write in this way also or in this way also. Correct? But first you divide by in this first type and then write in this second type. Okay? Now we'll start one more question. Sum number 4. Question is, use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Square. Suppose we divide any number by 3. Then the number will be a, we can write as 3q plus 0 or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. कोई भी नंबर होगा उसको ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं. Now 3q, we want its square. So 3q square is nothing but 9q square. This square means 9q square plus 6q plus 1. This square means 9q square plus 12q plus 4. We want to say that, we want to prove that these square numbers only in these two forms, maybe multiple of 3 or maybe multiple of 3 plus 1. So here, this number is a multiple of 3, obviously. Multiple of 3, it means it is in the form of 3m. What about this one? These two are in the multiple of 3. If we take 3 common, and plus 1. So what is this? Multiple of 3 plus 1. See, multiple of 3 plus 1. Correct? And the last part, if we take in the proper arrangement, all the multiples of 3 on one bracket, 3 is common and 1 is out. Now what is this? Multiple of 3 plus 1. Here it is multiple of 3 plus 1. Here it is multiple of 3. Every number. चलो अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ सोचो क्या है. सौम्या, what is your date of birth? 11. Okay. Square of 11. 121. 121 if you divide by 3, what you are getting? 3 into 40 plus 1. So 3m plus 1. Correct? Yes. What is your age? Date of birth? 7. Okay. Square of 7. 49. You can write dividing by 3. 3m plus 1. So is a quiz for your लॉकडाउन पीरियड. घर में जितने भी लोग हैं ना, मम्मी पापा दादी दादा जो भी सबकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ पूछेंगे, उनको कहेंगे अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ का स्क्वायर करो, सब स्क्वायर करेंगे, फिर बता देना या तो वो 3 का मल्टीपल है या 3 का मल्टीपल +1 है। करेक्ट? ओके, वन मोर, a small change in the last sum. This time it is cube. Question होगा वही, let the number 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2, any positive number a we can represent like this. The question is, if you cube it, they will be only in these two forms. Cubing 3q cube, 27q cube, it is a multiple of 3, that is 3m. Correct? 9m, okay, 9 multiple, this time multiple of 9. Correct? First case, multiple of 9. Cube of the second, 3q plus 1 cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket, you know from class 9th the formula of a plus b whole cube, 27q cube plus 1 plus 3393, 27q square plus 339q. We want to make it in only these two forms, 9m or 9m plus 1. So here, all these 1, 2, 3, common is 9. Common is 9. And common is 9. 9 common, 9 common, 9 common, and remaining is 1. So 9 times something, that is multiple of 9 plus 1. Correct? Now the third part, 3q plus 2 whole cube. See what we are getting, 9 cube, 3q cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. 9 class formula याद होना चाहिए. 333, 27q cube, 8, 339, 9 to 18, 18 354 cube plus 339 to 18, 18 to 36 cube. Arrange. Common is 9. Common is 9 and common is 9 plus 8, and is our answer is in the form of 9n plus 1, and third one is 9m plus 8. So this one is nothing but 9m plus 8. So what is the conclusion? Maybe multiple of 9 first, maybe multiple of 9m plus 1, and maybe multiple of 9m plus 8. So one more quiz for you. मम्मी पापा की मैरिज एनिवर्सरी, दादा दादी की मैरिज एनिवर्सरी, सबकी डेट पूछ लेने का है. उनको बोलना है उस डेट का कर दो आप क्यूब, सब जन उसका क्यूब करेंगे. फिर उनको बोलना है या तो वो 9 का मल्टीपल है, या वो 9 का मल्टीपल प्लस 1 है, और या 9 का मल्टीपल प्लस 8 है. कितना इजी टास्क. गुड. So in this way we have completed the first 1.1 exercise of real numbers. I think you enjoyed our lessons. और मेरे लाइक्स मुझको तब अच्छे लगते हैं जब मेरे बच्चे बोर्ड में बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लाते हैं. करेक्ट? तो तैयारी रखिए, प्रिपेयर वेल फॉर द बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, और लॉकडाउन के पीरियड को बहुत अच्छे से यूज लेना है. मन में पूरा दृढ़ विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. तब तक टेक केयर, गुड बाय, मिलते हैं 1.2 लेकर के.